Hey guys, what's up? With a brand new video today, and I got my quad going again, and I'm going to be going on it tomorrow. I asked them out, am I allowed to go on it now? But mommy and daddy said no, so I'll upload tomorrow when I'm on the quad, and I might upload a traveling video tomorrow as well. You see,